Guys, good afternoon. I came home from work and I'm gonna unbox something that I did not order. It's a surprise to me, and let's see what is inside here. We are unboxing right now, so might be the background are more messy, pero okay lang po yan dahil ito po ay papuntang storage po yan sa linggo. Dahil ano po, umpisa na po yung ating travel journey po, bakasyon na po natin. So meron po tayong i-unboxing dito. So ito po yung ating i-unbox. Mayroon nung 2 weeks ago po, mayroon po akong kausap na social worker from Kaiser. Tinawagan niya po ako at in-interview. So, kasi malamig po yung food natin, ay dito po tayo uupo sa ating normally palaging inuupuan na ano po. So, ngayon po, ito po ay dumating po noong November 13, pero hindi ko po ito nakuha kasi galing po ito sa post office. Hayaan mo na po yan. Hayaan mo na. Kahit anong angle po, may mga kalat. So ngayon, bibuksan natin po kasi nakuha ko po ito. Dinaanan ko po ito sa post office ngayon. So, yan po yung pangalan, medical, ano. Kaya pala po, mayroon nag-i-email sa akin dito na yung order ko daw on the way. So, hindi ko lang alam kasi hindi naman ako po yung nag-order. So, ito po, dyan yung pangalan po natin. At naka-address po doon sa ating mailbox. Oh! OMG! Ito po ang ating dumating po sa atin. Ito po ay libre. Libre po ito sa ating pong libre. Hindi ko po ito in-order. Kasi nung kausap ko po yung social worker ko ay ito po yung ano po niya, Bayram medical healthcare, Bayram medical healthcare po. So ito po ay hindi ko po ito binayaran, libre po ito. Qualify po ako sa lahat ng ano po, wala po akong bayad sa medical insurance, wala po akong bayad sa medicine, wala po akong bayad sa lahat po. So tingnan po natin kasi mayroon po ako nito. Nasa nasa aking luggage po kasi bigay ko dadalhin po natin yun kasi in case po na kailangan natin i-check yung ating dugo. So titingnan po natin yeah. Tingnan po natin, mga kababayan, tingnan po natin. Ang ganda-ganda po. Ang ganda-ganda po ng ating blood pressure machine. Tingnan natin kung ilang battery. 3 battery na 3 po na AA. So, yan po ang ating blood pressure machine. Libre! Libre po. Hindi ko po ito kasi sabi ko doon sa social worker po na mag-umpisa po yung aking bakasyon. Sabi ko baka hindi ko matanggap. Sabi niya baka hindi mo pwedeng tanggapin. Baka ang post office hindi tatanggap. Sabi ko nakuha ko yung dyan nakadeliver yung mga gamot ko. So yan po. Yan po yung ito po yung para naman sa braso mo. Ay! Hindi na po ako bibili ng battery. 4 pala yung ng battery. 4. Ayan po. 4 ang battery, hindi 3. Yeah. 4 po na battery. So libre na po. So wala na po akong bibilhin po dito kasi mayroon na pong battery, 4. So hindi na po natin to ano po. Naku po, masarap, ang ganda ng ano. So libre po ha. Alam mo ko pong kapag binili po nyo to ay nagkakahalaga po ng almost $100. 5,000 something, di ba? Ano po, mga 6,000 kung ganito. So, pwede nyo pong isabit kung ano doon, ganyan. Pero, hindi na po natin kailangan. So, ganito na po yan. Ito na po ang para sa ating. Ito na po sa cup. Dito po sa ano. Ayan. Dito po siya, dito. Ganyan po yan. Tapos kailangan ng ganyan. Kasi ilalagay mo siya dito. Yan, ganyan. Tapos, pipisilin mo lang po ito. Ito, ganito po yan. I-on mo yan ng ganyan. Tapos, 2, pag sirado, 1 is open, yung ganon. Tapos, i-press mo lang yung start dito. Hindi po siya nagpa-function po kasi hindi ko naman po ilalagay yung battery kasi hindi ko man po ito magagamit ngayon. Pero ang ganda po. Ganda. Meron akong ipapakita po sa inyo ha. Kasi similar po ito sa akin. Meron, ganito din po yung brand yung akin po. Binili ko po yung akin ng $60 ate o 50 something ganon. So, tingnan po natin itong akin po na mayroon po ako kasing ganyan. So, mayroon po akong ganito. Ganito po yung akin, brand. Kasi, dito na po kasi sa luggage po eh. Kaya ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung ano po. Kasi ito babawasan ko po yung aking luggage. Overweight po tayo. Gamot lang po yung nakadami dyan. Mabigat ang gamot. Tingnan ko po. Yan o. Tingnan po niya ito. Ito po yung akin. So, pero tingnan po nyo yung pinagkaiba po nitong akin sa yan. So, ganun din po. Kaya lang, parang flat siya dito. Hindi siya katulad dito na ano, round talaga. Kasi ito po, galing po talaga ito sa medical, galing po siya sa healthcare. Yung talagang sa ano po ng mga sa mga ano po yan, sa mga matatanda po na mga health. Galing po ito sa Medicare, medical. Ito yung akin po. Ito yung pinagkaiba po nitong dalawa. Tingnan po nyo. Maliit po ito, malaki po ito. So, ito po, iiwan ko po. Tapos, yung dadalhin ko po ay ito. So, pwede ko po siyang dalhin ng ganyan lang. Hindi ko na, So, iiwan ko, dalhin ko yung ano po para alam po ng ano. Nandito po yung battery. Kasi hindi ko naman po siya ginagamit talaga masyado. Yan po. So, ganyan na lang po yan. Binili ko po siya. Sale po ito noong Christmas ko kasi. Kaya pag Christmas ka rin tipo, ang pagbili mo dito kapag holiday ganito ng mga around Christmas, November na Thanksgiving po. Yan po, makakaano po kayo ng mga ganitong mura. So, ito po, bili ko po ata nito. Ito po yung, bali, ang regular price po nito like around $80, ganun. O $100. Pero nakuha ko lang po kasi ito ng mga 60 something po. Kasi sale po yan. So, yan po, dadalhin po siya natin kasi kailangan po natin to doon. Ngayon po ito namang gamot na to ay anuhin ko po yan. So, yun ang dadalhin ko po kasi para ito po yung dadalhin. So, dadalhin ko po yan. So, yan po yung atin anuhin po. So, yan po ito naman po ay ating ibabalik dito sa ating yan. Wow! Ganda! Ganda naman yan. Ganda naman. Ganda naman yan. Ganda. So, lahat natin siya ilagay sa dyan. Ito po ang kanyang guys, kung para hindi po kailangan ng battery o ang battery ay backup lang po, pwede nating i-charge po dito yan sa electric. So hindi ito pwede sa hindi ito pwede kung saan ito yung pwede sa travel po kasi battery lang po kailangan. Pwede rin ito, kaya lang hindi natin ito muna gagamitin ngayon. Ito yung instruction. Ganito po yung instruction niya. Wow! Hypertension stage 1, 130/139. Normal, 120. Diastolic BP, 80. Yung po, yung over. Sa magating ganyan. So, normal po ha. 120 ang normal. 120 to 129 ang normal. Pero pag yung mataas na yung hypertension mo ay 130, 139, tapos 140. Yan po yung So, mayroon po kayo yan. Ang ganda niya. Download the app. Okay. Download the app po. Download po tayo ng app. I-download natin ang app. Hello? This is she? Miss? Yeah, there is there is a letter that I received and they're asking like I'm approved for something, but I don't know what kind of approval is that, because I think I was calling because my social worker told me to call the number and for the $140 for vitamins. Is that the one that I was approved of? I think that's the one that I think that's the one I was calling for. The number is 833-822-9644. Yeah. Oh, now housing navigation? No. I'm not sure what, they don't tell me what is this. Uh, mm-hmm. Meter 2026. Oh yeah, housing navigation. Okay, can you know, I am going on vacation, leaving on Sunday night, and I will not be back until February 6. I'll be out of, yeah. Uh, when I coming back home, when I coming back here in United States, I don't have home. I do not have any home. I was talking to my stepdaughter if I could stay with her until I found a place to stay. Yeah, I'm leaving Sunday the 17th, 11, 11:45, 11:45 at night on Sunday, the November 17th. And I'm coming back December, February 6. Yes. I there is his name is Jerry, and yeah, and they put in hold, ma'am. I put on hold because you know, because when I'm coming back, I he already get the flight number I had, and then he was telling me that my my manager is, or my superior, what he says, that I need to ask for your flight number, so that way we can talk about when you're coming back. So let's talk about it on, you know, when you're coming back. Yes. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, because I told my social worker, you know, I rather want to know right now, I instead, you know, instead of next year, because that way when I come back, I'm just gonna make an appointment to see them so I can, you know, get, because I really don't have nowhere to go when I come back. No, usually I never been evicted, and right now I'm temporarily staying with my son. There's a long story on that one, because my son is afraid also if his landlord find out that I am staying in his apartment with that I'm not on the lease, you know. And I understand, I don't want my son to be evicted, so I understand myself, you know, because especially if she's gonna renew his agreement, and I'm not, I'm away from here, I'm not here, so I still cannot sign a contract with him. So, and I'm not gonna put my son in jeopardy, you know, losing his apartment, because he told me, "Mommy, I work hard for my apartment, and when I'm gonna lose my apartment, I cannot get anymore. I cannot get another apartment anymore." So, for me, I rather uh, stay alone. I'm not really. I'm very independent. Uh, I've been living alone. I don't have a daughter. I had a son. I'm living a son. I'm living with my son. Yeah, I'm living with my son. Yeah. Yes, yes. Mm-hmm. So I was telling the gentleman that either a room, you know, and or it doesn't matter what kind, as long as I had a place to stay, either a room or apartment, either a studio or a room. I just wanna, be independent. I because I don't need help from my son yet. I'm working. I had still income. I had monthly income from social security coming, and I'm very much healthy. I can go. I don't need any assistant for because somebody already calling me if I need some assistant. I need some home care assistant. I don't need those one. They're also asking me if I need a medical equipment. I said I don't need any medical equipment yet. But I received one. I received right now. I think this is the order of Natalie, my social worker. They order me blood pressure machine, which is I have it right now. I just pick up in the mail post office. So the only thing that I was also asking, I already called one, is for the vitamin that was $140 for every 3 months. I did not get response for those one yet. I already called, but I don't get. But I'm not. The number that Natalie gave me, my social worker that gave me. So I don't know. So I don't have those. I think I will put that one on hold for now because I don't have no time. Hindi gonna tell me you gonna go get this one because I will be away for 2 months and a half. Yes. Yes, I will not be mentioning here because this trip is a surprise. Nobody no, nobody knows that I will be surprising my you know uh, yes, nobody knows except one of my right now they have been asking a lot of people why they're cleaning my house, and this is like they're gonna put into rent. They're putting to rent with somebody that is not, it's far away from, it's not, he's a foreigner that, he's gonna rent this house, but nobody really knows. Yes, it's a sir. Yes, I will. Yes, they are. Because right now in Facebook they're asking, "Are you going home?" I said, "No, I don't have no plan for coming home. I don't know when, but this is like, well, we had a high school reunion." I said, "I don't know. I'm not gonna say, yes, I am coming home, but maybe someday, one of this day, maybe I will be coming home. I will make a plan for that one." But not right now. I don't have no plan yet. Mm-hmm. Okay, so that's the only thing. I thought if this one that is you are approved, I thought is for the vitamin. Oh, okay, thank you. That's a good news because I told my stepdaughter that can I stay with you for a while until I will get this place, because somebody already called me that they're going to help me to uh help me for looking for something, place to stay, you know. So I hope I will get something that closer to my work, that I don't, because I'm not working, driving, that I would like to stay like close to the bus stop, that is easy for me to, for the transportation, especially I'm working like 7 o'clock in the morning, and I will traveling like around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the morning. Yes. So, yes. Yes, that's what he says. It's like, we're gonna put on hold Mrs. Bishop because if you are not here, it's too hard for us to, to look for something that you are not around. So the one he knows, yeah. So he knows, he got my, it's just like my manager told me to go this. Because there is a lot of things that is been calling, but if they're using for their personal phone number and they are not gonna leave a message to me, then I don't return the call. I delete that number. You right now, because you're calling and it's showing me Kaiser, that's why I answer the phone. Yeah, but okay, you will. Okay, you will come. Thank you so much. Look, yeah, looking forward for that house for me to when I come back. I'm looking forward on that one. I definitely looking for a place that I can call home. That no stress, I don't need to stress out. Yeah, my son always telling me, Mom, you give me a bad time, Mom, even though I'm not the one, because I said I am tired already, listening to him. But thank you so much, and definitely I am looking forward for that new place for me to call home. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. You too. You have a nice day. Bye bye. You're welcome. So guys, sorry na nandyan po kayo sa conversation po namin. Approve po ako sa pre-housing po. Low income housing po for senior. Ay approve po ako. Ayan po yung tumawag po sa akin na approve po ako. So, looking forward to mayroon po tayong place na titirahan pagbalik. So, happy. Good news po. Yan po ang sinasabi ko sa aking social worker na gusto ko pong tatawag po na ngayon po para para pagdating ko, ready na po, mayroon na po akong, alam ko na po kung sino po yung mag-assist po sa akin ng malilipatan natin, yung maano po natin, yung kaya guys, happy for me. Ayan, mayroon tayong blood pressure machine na libre. So guys, ayan na po, libre po ito. Tapos pagbalik po natin ay mayroon na po tayong mayroon na pong appointment na tutulong po sa akin na maghanap po ng matitirahan na malapit lang din po sa trabaho na low income po. Ito po yun ang sulat na yun po. Kung narinig po nyo kung ano po yung pinag-uusapan namin po ay ito po, member authorized for community support housing transition navigation service ay language assistance. Sabi na, we have approved you for service listed here. You want to receive additional visit, test procedure, Kaiser, something like that. Ayan guys, we want to let you know that you've been approved for the service. Yan. So, dito po, nakausap ko na po yung guy nito, yung tao na tutulong po sa akin. Sinasabi niya sa akin po na pagdating ko galing sa aking bakasyon ko ay mayroon po akong para po sa akin pong makahanap po ako ng malilipatan po ay approve po ako ng 5,000 for started my own place. So ito naman po din isang sulat na din po to. Approve din po ako sa low income sa studio po. Kaya lang waiting list po ito ng ng 3 to 5 years. Hindi ko na po mahintay yung 3 to 5 years. Gusto ko po, sinabi ko po sa aking social worker na kailangan ko po ng as soon as possible na tirahan. So itong hawak ko na po ito na envelope. Ito po yung mga libre ko pong na wala po akong babayaran kundi libre po. Sila po yung mag-a-assist sa akin po ng aking tirahan. Ito po yung galing po. Ito pong mga medicine ko po. Ito pong mga medicine ko po. Ito po ay libre. Kasama po yan dito. Dito po yan ang gagaling. Itong libre na po ito ay ito galing po din. Ibang program po din ito. Ito naman po ay ibang program naman po. Pero ano pa rin po, Kaiser. Dahil member po ako ng Kaiser Medicare at Medical. Kaya libre po ako sa lahat. Kasi dalawa po yung aking insurance. Medical at Medicare po. Kaya ito po dahil sa income ko po, wala po tayong income, low income po tayo, wala po tayong asawa. Ito po, libre po ito. Yun nga po ang nasabi ko sa inyo, kapag bibilhin po ito ay about $100 po. So, ngayon po ito ay libre po, libre po sa akin yan. Kaya hindi po natin yan tingnan po nyo kung gaano po siya kalaki. Compare po yung mayroon, hindi naman po kasi alam ng social worker ko na mayroon po akong ito po 5 series lang, ito 10 series, kaya malaki po. 10 series po yan Pero pareho po sila ng pangalan 5 series lang po ito, pero ito 10. So libre po ako dyan. Hindi na po ako bibili pag kasi kung halimbawa po kung saan man ako pupunta, like I said po, kung saan man po ako pupunta na maiiwan po ito, mayroon po ako ditong isang magagamit. So ito po, magagamit ko po ito doon kung saan man ako pupunta, dahil nga kailangan kong i-monitor yung aking dugo. Yan po. Kaya yan po, ilagay natin po siya dyan. Kasi so yan po yung sana hindi po nakawin dyan sa bus na yun, pag kung sana tayo mapupunta. So yan guys, thank you so much, and I love you all, and thank you for watching. Shout out po sa lahat ng aking mga minamahal na mga subscribers, silent viewers, sa mga OFWs, kaibigan at hindi miga-miga love, shout out. Sorry po na hindi ko po ma-mute ang amin pong pinag-uusapan po ng kabilang line po, pero naririnig na lang po ninyo kung ano po yun. Mas good news ko po yun, dahil mayroon na po tayong matitirahan pagbalik po natin dito. Thank you, and I love you. Shout out po sa lahat. Hindi ko na po kayo maisa-isa dahil nakakalimutan ko na po talaga. Kaya kung mapapansin po nyo na hindi ko na po sinushoot out lahat yung mga team, lahat ng mga po. Kasi kung isushoot out ko man po, wala na po, hindi ko na po makukumpleto. Kung natatandaan po nga nyo ng ilang araw po ay naghahanap po ako ng aking pera na hindi ko na po matandaan kung saan. Dahil parang nagkaroon po ako ng, malungkot po ako dahil nagkaroon po ako ng parang lost memory po. Yun. So, pero in good health po ako in good health. Kompleto po ako kompleto na po ako. Mayroon po ako dito para sa kamay po na pang blood pressure. So makikita din po nyo yan, nandito po. Dalawa po yan. So ngayon po, bali 3 po yung ating blood pressure machine. Isa po yung sa kamay, dalawa po yung nandito sa braso. So ito po, iiwan ko po ito dito, hindi ko po ito dadalhin kasi yan po, bago po natin yan, ito po yung ating dadalhin po. So thank you, and I love you po. Bye-bye! Alam po nyo, magdi-delete din po tayo para magamit po natin ito sa pag-vlog sa ating traveling. Bye-bye! Love you po. Shout out po sa lahat. Hindi ko na po kayo maisa-isa, pero shout out po sa aking mga members, super chatter, nag-isa sponsor na si GC Pinario at nag-iisang super chatter na si GC Pinario. Maraming salamat, and I love you all. Ang buhay ko ay wither lang. Tagumpay ko, tagumpay nyo. Sana marami pa po akong, sana nandyan po kayo, at sana wala po kayo, hindi po kayo mag-skip ng ad. Kasi yan lang po ang aking itutulong, kasi mayroon pong 3 kumakatok ng aking puso. At yan po ay kukunin ko po sa aking sponsor, dahil mayroon po nag-sponsor sa atin. At doon ko po kukunin, at doon po sa aking sweldo na mabigyan po ng tulong. Kung sino man lucky na yun, I love you. Salamat po. Hanggang dito na lang po tayo. Bye-bye.